Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is a DIY video and I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing hairspray that has helped me recover my hair from hair loss, and it requires just 2 ingredients. And my first ingredient here is clove. Clove is amazingly good for hair growth and I have mine here already washed. And my second ingredient is star anise. And this star anise is another amazing ingredient when it comes to hair growth. So what I'm going to do to prepare this hairspray, I'm just going to take out my plastic container. This container has cover, so I'll be able to cover it up and keep it in a cool place. So I'm going to pour in my clove, my washed clove, and then I'll pour in my star anise just to combine the two together. This is a hairspray and it doesn't require much and it is easy to make. So next I'm going to go in and pour my boiled water. I have here boiled water, so I just transfer it to the container and I pour it in. Then what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to cover this up and I'll leave it in a cool place overnight so that the clove and the star anise will wash into the water, and I'll use it to make my spray. So this is the next day. So I took it out. As you can see, the color is dark, which means my ingredients is nicely washed in, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead now and filter it and just extract the water from the seeds, just like so. I'm going to filter it away and then I'll keep the clove and the star anise aside because I'll be using it to make oil too. Then when I'm done transferring it, my spray water is ready. I'm just going to go ahead now and transfer this to my spray bottle. From there I'll be applying it to my hair. So next I'm going to show you guys how I apply this to my scalp and how to use it. It's just spray water and it is very good for your hair, and you can use this as pre-poo and also to moisturize your hair when you want. You can leave it on your hair as long as you want because it's good and it doesn't have any effect. So next I'm going to show you guys how I apply this to my hair. So this is my natural hair, guys. As you can see, a few months ago my hair was very bad due to hair loss, and with the help of these natural ingredients I'm gradually recovering my hair and I'm seeing great and amazing results. So this is the hairspray that I made before. I'm just going to spray this into my scalp and I'll be doing it section by section, as you can see here. So I'm going to spray this into my scalp nicely, just like I'm doing now for you guys to see, and then I'll massage it really well to my scalp. So I'm going to be applying this nicely to my scalp and then I'll give it a very good massage. I'll massage it very well to my scalp and I'll leave it on my hair overnight because my wash day is the next day. So I'm going to spray this in and leave it on my hair overnight. Then the next day I will wash my hair and wash it out. If you want, you can leave this on your hair as long as you want because it's just mainly made from water. And note guys, the longer you leave this on your hair, the better benefit you get. You can use this on your hair as a moisturizer because it's made of water. So instead of using water to moisturize your hair, you can as well use this and you get great results. So guys, don't forget to share me out, leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new, if this is the first time watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. All my whole subscribers, thank you very much. I love you all. May God bless you for your endless support. So this is how my hair looks after applying this to my hair. It's well moisturized. So I'm going to leave it on my hair till the next day because I'm using it as an overnight pre-poo. Thank you guys for watching to the end. See you on my next video. Bye bye.